Brad Woods, co-founder and CEO of the Virtual Foundry.
And I'm Tricia Cease, co-founder and president of the Virtual Foundry. We've developed a new method of manufacturing pure metal, glass, and ceramic parts built on common, inexpensive equipment you may already have. Imagine the 3D printer that your kids use at school. Now imagine that same 3D printer making full metal parts that are often manufactured overseas today. And the process can be completed in your classroom, lab, home studio, or even your garage.
The very first plastic 3D prints that I made were very disappointing. They didn't have much substance and felt like children's toys rather than useful objects. This was my aha moment. If I could print these objects in metal, this technology would be an even bigger game changer than it already was promising to be. Everybody knows about 3D printing now, and most people know it can be done with metal. But that wasn't the case 7 years ago. It took time for this technology to become understood well enough for people to fully trust it.
The Virtual Foundry's metal 3D printing process isn't only for big companies with big budgets. This technology isn't limited to 1 or even 10 industries. It's for everybody. You in your research lab, you in your artist studio, you defending our country out in the field, and you spending time with your kids making cool stuff.